Yes, sir. Where the rest of the riders at? Bob, what's going on, man? Yes, sir. Yeah, getting it in. Yes, sir. Hey, we going on YouTube. Make sure y'all follow and subscribe to us at ATV Riders of VA. We got a Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Yo, that's crazy. What he doing?
They taking a break, ain't they?
Man, that bitch steep as hell.
Man, like that motherfucker.
It's in the bag. Well, he gonna ride it down here. Oh, Lord. He ain't got no brakes, though. I don't know how I'm gonna go up this bitch.
Well, I wish I had some shoes to show you what I think.
I know you'll show me how to ride, yo. Break it out. Let me see. Let's see this man real. No, let me see you. I get you. Nah, I got you. Yo. ATV Riders of VA. We ain't motherfucking playing them. Hey, what is he doing? Oh shit, he ain't fucking with it, yeah. He ain't gonna make it.